Hi guys, welcome to another part of the Reliant Scimitar project. As you may see, Scimitar's taken a bit of a change since the last time you saw it. Because behind the camera is the complete body shell, and this is what was supposed to be the solid chassis. It is mostly solid, but there's some localised rot in it. So, what I'm going to do today is a job that I've been trying to get done for about a month now, that not many people seem willing to do. So I'm going to cut off this rail, cut off the outriggers on the front and replace them, same the other side, and have a little hole in the chassis, the other side of the engine to patch. There's a bit to be back for all those rusty marks coming through that needs patched as well. So I'm going to stick it in a time lapse and see how this goes. I'm sure you can hear by the tone of my voice for this one, I'm not looking forward to this because I'm not a big fan of welding. I can do it, not great though. Let's see how I get on anyway. Right, that took a bit longer than I was expecting. So I got the front outrigger off. So that's one of the bits I'm changing because it was totally rotten. Can't see how bad it is now that it's off. What's going to go on there is a brand new one which is sitting there. I'm going to go and get the welder out and weld it on. And then I'll continue to cut off this rail and hopefully get the new one fitted on. So we'll see how that goes anyway. Well, that's the front outrigger on. I was quite annoyed. I went to look at the camera just now thinking, oh, that caught on a really good welding for once it went quite to plan. And then I realised I never pushed record on the time lapse. So anyway, that's one on. Next stage is cut that off, which the feel of that isn't going to take much. And then onto the back bit. Get them all repaired and put on. I'll go and crack on with them and we'll time lapse it this time. But I've still the other side to do, so you'll still get to see some fantastic welding hopefully. Right, that took a little bit longer than I thought. I've got this rail fitted in place. I'm not really sure how the back's supposed to finish. It was all rotten, that side's just the same. So what my plan just now is just to leave it. If it needs bits cut out to it afterwards, it'll be cut out. But for the moment, I'm going to get this in place, weld, get it put in place and finished, hopefully. This is back a slight bit. Like that. Could be this whole leg from the back a bit. We'll just give it a little tap. Too bad. Yep, right, I'll go and put the time lapse and get going with the welding. that's all I'm going to do today. There's a few bits that need pieces made up. I'm leaving this just to reference for that side. Then I'll cut it off and remake it. But yeah, I'll have to make up some new bits of steel for the likes of these and little bits and pieces of repair needed on this channel. So I'll have to do that. So I'm not going to do any more of this today. I bought this exhaust back on. So it's good to know where it came off of, instead of being guessing. So this just came off like that. So all I'm going to do today is tidy up and probably go and make up some of that missing pieces of metal. But at least the scimitar's now got the rotten bits nearly all cut off. And it's ready to get the new bits stuck on. There we go. Like so that, rotten bit. Out of sight. So yeah, thanks for watching these restoration videos, projects videos, guys. If you enjoy watching them in this channel, remember to subscribe and like the videos and comment. If you have any ideas what you might like to see on this channel in the future, or if you've got any projects that you think would be interesting for me to take on in the future, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to get tidied up for today.